Welcome to Isla Court. Isla Court is a sheltered housing complex located in the Bridgend area of Perth City. Sheltered housing allows you to live independently in your property while having a housing support officer on site who will offer housing advice and ensure the properties are properly maintained. Here at Isla Court, we have 22 one-bedroom flats in total, distributed over 3 floors. The access to the complex is via a secure door entry system. The building is fully accessible with access ramps throughout, and there is a lift to access the upper floors.
Well, my name's Helen Wheeler, and I live at Isla Court in Kerr Street in Perth. I've been here now for 2.5 years. Absolutely no complaints. I feel very secure. We're very well looked after, and it's just probably one of the nicest things I've done into my old age is move in here. Oh, I think, well, it takes loneliness away. I had a fairly lonely life. You can't have family popping in all the time. It's the ideal place for, to meet up with people and feel secure. Yeah, I would most certainly advise any elderly person to move into one of those. Ideal. I think it's adding the years on to me.
Each property has an alarm system in place, with pull cords that can be used in the event of an emergency. Assistance is available 24 hours a day from the community alarm team. We also have a communal laundry facility on the ground floor, with modern appliances and a drying space. Isla Court has a lovely communal lounge which we use for social events. The lounge is well attended for a variety of gatherings, and all tenants are welcome to join. Outside, we have a communal garden with several sitting areas that tenants can use to sit, garden, or just enjoy the green surroundings. The building also has street park nearby for visitors, as well as scooter pods that are available for rental from the council. If you need any further information about Isla Court, you can visit www.pkc.gov.uk/sheltered housing.